Today we'll discuss about types of computers. There are different types of computers with respect to size, speed, storage capacity, and cost. Computers can be classified into following types: microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Microcomputers. These computers are small in size and cost less. They are usually designed for personal use. Therefore, they are also known as personal computers. They are mainly used in homes, shops, offices, schools, etc. These computers are given different names according to their uses. Example: Commodore 64, IBM PC. Desktop computers. These computers are designed to fit portably on top of desks. Desktop computers typically come in several units such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse, which are connected to each other and work like a single unit. Next, laptop computers. These computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These are battery operated and portable too. Tablet. These computers are smaller and lighter than laptop computers. Common tablets have 7-inch or 10-inch screen. Tablets can be used to browse the web, play games, send emails, listen to music, watch movies, read ebooks, view photos, and so on. Mini computers. These computers are bigger in size than the microcomputers. They have a higher processing speed and are costlier than microcomputers. These computers are capable to support 4 to 200 users simultaneously. Uh, they are used in banks, universities, and any other big organizations. Example of mini computers are PDP-8. Mainframe computers. These computers are big in size with large memory and high speed. They are designed to tackle huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use a mainframe computers. These computers are used in networked environment. Mainframe computers are very expensive and are used in large business organizations, universities, banks, scientific laboratories, airlines, and railway ticket reservations, stock exchange markets, etc. Examples for this mainframe computers are IBM series, PDP-10, etc. Supercomputers, most powerful computers with large processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite controls, etc. Examples for these supercomputers are Cray 1, Cray 2, Param A10 comes under examples of supercomputers. Answer these questions. Which computers are designed for personal use? Second one, what are the examples of mainframe computers? Which computers are used for weather forecasting? Which computer is the most powerful computer? And fifth one, look at the picture and what is there in the picture? Which type of computers are there in the picture? What am I?